Hello viewers, in the last video we discussed about standard form of the essay. Today we will be doing practice through an example, but before that let's recall first. There was 4 steps. The first one was the attention grabber, the second one was the thesis statement, and the third one was the body of the essay, and fourth, conclusion. Now in the attention grabber there was 2 approaches. The first one was the general to specific, and the second one was the specific to general. And the thesis statement, we discussed about the sentence or the statement that tells about the names of the paragraphs and reasons, advantages, disadvantages, and other things. And finally we discussed about the conclusion. Today we will be doing practice through an example. Let's suppose today the topic is the role of civil engineering in the modern world. Okay, so first of all, the first step we will discuss. Okay, in the attention grabber, today we will follow the approach general to specific. Let's suppose I say the world is advanced with the help of science. Mainly engineering have played its vital role, as civil engineering have changed the look of our earth. Okay, so that is how it is the general to specific I meant, and that is the attention grabber. Okay, we have done our attention grabber. Now let's come to the second step. It is the thesis statement. In the thesis statement you give number of the paragraphs and the names of the paragraphs that you will write in the body. Okay, so it is said after God civil engineers are the creators. So this is how I wrote a sentence, but now I am going to tell you which paragraphs I will write. Okay, so they design structures, construct them, plan the project, and complete them. These 4 paragraphs. The first one was the they design structures, the second one was the constructed them, and the third one was the plan the projects, and the fourth one was the and complete them. That is how, if it depends upon the length of the essay which is required. Let's suppose you are given to write 300 words of an essay which contains 300 words, that essay. In that, what you would do, you will write only and only a paragraph containing at least 50 words, because there are 4 paragraphs. But if the length goes long, it extends. Like if you are required to write an essay containing 1000 words, then what would you do? Then you would divide it with the 4 paragraphs and you will write the number of words and calculate them, and then you have to write like that. Okay, I hope you have understood about that. Let's suppose I am going again upon the body of the essay. In the body of the essay, what would you do? The first paragraph we will discuss they design structures. What is designing? Actually, designing is the drawing of civil engineering. They draw many maps, they draw many structures with the help of an AutoCAD. The AutoCAD is a software which is mainly used for the designing. Like that, you will write many words in the paragraph. After completing that, they will come to the construct them. In the construction, you will see there are so many steps, like surveying, like which materials you have to use there, which type of construction you are using, and after completing that, we will come to the plan the projects. Okay, in the planning of the whole the thing that comes in the projects, you have to do many things, like you have to construct bridges, roads, and other things, and you may also have to build buildings, airports, and so many other things. It's a vast field. Okay, after writing all these things in detail, you will come to the last paragraph, and that is the complete them. How they will complete it, and they furnish it. I hope you will do it in a correct manner. Finally, you will come to the conclusion that how civil engineering have played a vital role in the changing of the world, in the advancement of the world. So what you would do, you will fetch some sketchy words and you will conclude that how civil engineering the most important in the field of the engineering and how it has played a vital part. Thanks. In the next